In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time to 12 hour in TradingView. If you prefer seeing times with AM and PM instead of military time, this quick tweak will make your charts easier to read, especially during fast intraday sessions. First, open your browser and head to tradingview.com. You can use the web version on any modern browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to get into a chart so we can access the setting we need. From there, choose a stock or any symbol you're interested in and launch the full chart view. The easiest way is to use the search bar at the top, pick your symbol from the results, and then open the full featured chart. This brings up the main charting interface where all layout and axis options live. Next, click on Settings. Look for the small gear icon on the chart's top toolbar that opens the chart settings window. This is where TradingView groups everything from symbol display to axes, colors, and trading tools. Inside that window, click on the section labeled Scales and Lines. Depending on your version, this may simply be called Scales. This area controls how your price and time axes look and behave, including labels and formatting. Now scroll down within that section. We're heading toward the options that affect the time axis at the bottom of your chart. Keep an eye out for the setting called Time Format or Times Hour Format. When you find the Time Format option, change it to 12 hours. This switches your chart's timestamps to show AM and PM. As soon as you select 12 hours, you'll typically see a live preview on the time axis reflecting the change. This affects your chart's display for all lower time frames and intraday views, and it keeps the format consistent across symbols you open in the same layout. Finally, click OK to apply and save your changes. Your time axis should now show 12-hour times with AM and PM indicators. If you don't immediately see the update, give the chart a moment to refresh or zoom slightly in and out so the labels redraw. A quick note, changing the hour format does not change your time zone. If your candle times look offset, you may be viewing a different time zone than expected. That can be adjusted elsewhere in TradingView, but the format we just changed is specifically about 12-hour versus 24-hour display. That's it. You've switched your TradingView charts to a clear 12-hour time format, making timestamps more intuitive at a glance. If you ever want to go back, follow the same path and select 24-hour instead.